Hi, it's Design Space Friday, and today I'm going to show you something a little bit different. I'm going to share with you how I create backgrounds for images that don't have a background. Some images already have a background, and usually you'll see it hidden in the layers of the group, but this one did not, and I wanted to. And I also wanted to add the puppy. So the first thing I would do is put it in place where I'm going to want it, add the other item to it, the other piece. Um, go ahead and shift on both of those and go ahead and group them, and group is up at the top here, and you don't have to go from layer because your edit is all across the top now. I'll explain that a little bit more in a few minutes, but once you have them grouped, then you're able to size that all at one time. Once you have it the size that you want, then just bring it over here, and this time you're going to want to duplicate. This might take a few minutes for it to bring in all those items. There we are. So now I have two of them. Now one of them is going to be the background and one is going to be the pieces that remain apart. So I'm going to just click on one of them and weld. And now it's welded together, and now I can put it into place and weld it to the frame as I did here. But that's how you create a background image, and then these ones will cut out separate just as they would before, and then you just paper piece them on top of where it's at. But it's so much easier for someone to put something together when they have something to put them on, a base to put them on. So real quick, I'm loving the Design Space 3. It's just as easy to work with to me as the original Design Space. The difference is now we have new and projects over on the left. You have images, text, shapes, and uploads just as you did before. They're going to be bringing some of the other, like Canvas is not here yet, but this is a beta version. So from what I understand, they're going to bring more and more things online as they get to them. Your edit, once you click on an image, your edits are all across the top, so you no longer have to click on the edit. So you can undo, redo, select all, edit, arrange, flip, size it, rotate it, position it, all from the top line. I think that's awesome. It also has a nice bar at the top that tells you what the name of your overlay is, or your project is. It also has, you can click on my projects, you can click on save, or now instead of saying go, it says make it, so you can click on it and sends it to the mats for cutting. Your layers stay up all the time here. I think that's great. So you don't have to be going between the edit and the layers like you did before. Again, you have, I'll click on this, little more things. All of these are across the bottom now: slice, weld, attach, flatten, as well as group, ungroup, duplicate, and delete. There's just all one screen now, so you don't have to hunt and find things. I think that's amazing. You still have the color sync where you can bring items and make them all the same color as you did before. Remember, you just have to move it up to the other, whatever color you want it, and then everything is that color. We're going to undo that because we don't want those that color, but you can still do the sync just like you did before. But that's the only kind of hidden item. So that's just a real quick um, video for today, and I hope you enjoy it and look for more next Friday.